Want to cancel your Simple Mobile plan? It's easy to do online. Since Simple Mobile is a prepaid service, there are no long-term contracts or cancellation fees. This video will guide you through the two primary online methods, using the Simple Mobile account portal and using the live chat feature. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the process smooth and hassle-free, so you can cancel your plan anytime without penalties beyond forfeiting any remaining plan balance. Let's break down each method. First, the account portal, accessible at account.simplemobile.com. Log in with your username, email, and password. Navigate to My Account, then Plan Management, and finally, Cancel Plan. Confirm the details, agree to the terms, and you'll receive a confirmation email. Cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle, with prorated refunds issued within 3 to 5 business days. For live chat, visit simplemobile.com or use the app. State your intent to cancel and provide your account details. Chat agents can process cancellations immediately upon quick verification. Remember to gather your account number and SIM card info beforehand for a faster process. As of 2025, Simple Mobile has integrated AI in their portal and chat, so expect a streamlined experience. Just be sure to have your ID ready for potential verification. You'll receive a confirmation email